I'll show you the best altcoins which can bring you a huge profit in May. Also, I'm going to tell you about the tasks that we can do to get an airdrop and earn a couple of $1,000s. In recent months, the market has corrected quite a lot, especially altcoins, which dropped by 40–50%. And there's a possibility that this decline will continue. Let me show you 5 altcoins that are trading very cheap, and buying them now will not be a mistake. Let's start with a project that will become the new Solana. I'm talking about Aptos. This altcoin is not getting much attention now, but I'm gonna give you the reasons why it will be a smart decision to buy it and get 20–25x profit by the end of the year and also get an airdrop. If we look at the chart, we can see that the token has grown 4 times from its lows. It skyrocketed from $5 to $20, but the most important thing is that there was no sideways trend where there's a distribution where big players could sell their tokens and fix the profit. So here's what happened. There was an immediate drop of more than 50%. Many people lost faith in Aptos because they didn't buy initially at the minimum values or failed to fix their profits when this coin was trading in the range of $17–19. So why is it smart to buy Aptos now? Let's start with the most important thing, that the layer 1 will definitely become a bull market narrative. So if we open the tokenomics of Aptos, we'll see that the top funds such as A16Z, Multicoin Capital, Binance, Coinbase, and so on invested in this project, and the project has raised $350 million. It's a lot of money. So we understand that the project has money, and they can easily buy tokens to control the issue and further manipulate the price. The capitalization of the project is above average. Full capitalization is more than 9 billion. That is if all the tokens will be in the market right now. And the market capitalization is more than 3 billion. While 40% of the tokens are already in the market, which means that unlocking of coins will not put so much pressure on the price. Aptos drew the attention of all market participants with its airdrop, where people received several $1,000s for a couple of clicks. And based on the tokenomics, they have allocated tokens for the next airdrop, which will be more generous than the previous one. But we'll get to that later. So back to the price prediction. In the next few months, I expect the Aptos price to go sideways, and it's likely to go down gradually, as it happened a year ago when the price was gradually falling. But the current price is good to enter the market right now, as the vast majority of people bought at the price of $12 and higher, and there we see a strong retracement. So $8.5 is a better entry point than most of the people have. So I want to allocate 5% of my portfolio to the Aptos token and use 40% of the allocated amount to buy it at the current price. And then buy it monthly for the next 5 months, using 12% of the allocated amount. This way we'll get the best average purchase price, and I expect the average purchase price to be in the neighborhood of $5, maybe $6. And from these values, I'm looking forward to get 25x gain. So let's get back to the Aptos airdrop. They will conduct it in the run-up to the coming alt season to attract attention to the project, approximately by the end of the summer. There are no exact requirements to get an airdrop, but I can tell you what I do to get it. Firstly, I use Aptos Bridge to transfer stablecoins. Secondly, I'm active in the Aptos ecosystem. This means that I send tokens to lending and I also swap tokens. More information you'll find in my Telegram channel. I recommend swapping tokens and sending tokens to lending to the largest projects of the ecosystem, such as Aries Market, Thala, Liquid Swap. And by the way, many of these projects have a point system, so this way we're gonna get 2 airdrops from Aptos and from one of those projects. If you liked the video, be sure to hit that like button, it really helps me with the YouTube algorithms. Thank you. The next altcoin is a personal project of Binance. I'm talking about the memecoin. In fact, it's a launchpad platform. Binance itself has token listings every week, and in order not to lose projects but to conduct more launchpads and make money on them, they created Meme Land, where we can get new tokens that have launchpads here for staking meme tokens. As I said, among the top investors of this project is only Binance Labs. It's a rare thing when a tier 1 fund is the only investor, as usually there are still affiliated funds. Also, the project had a launchpad on Binance itself. The full capitalization of the project is only $1.5 billion, which is very small. This way, the entire issue is in the hands of Binance only. And the small number of tokens that are in the hands of ordinary people are in staking, and Binance can manipulate the price as desired, having such a small capitalization. Memecoin is Binance's flagship project, and the probability of failure is negligible. Now the price of the token is at the listing level that happened in November when the market was at the bottom, and my thinking is the current price is very favorable because to calculate the potential earnings you need to pay attention to the capitalization of the project. It's about $400 million now, and that means, even considering the current values, 25x pump will be very conservative estimate. Also, we can not only hold our memecoin in the wallet, but also send it to staking and get free tokens that are listed on meme land. For this, we go to the site and we send our memecoin to staking, and in return we will get points every week, for which we can get tokens that are listed on this exchange. The next altcoin is the polyhedra network. This is one of the first layer 3 solutions, which will definitely be a narrative for the upcoming bull market. Optimism, Arbitrum, and other layer 2 solutions are building their layer 3 solutions. This project solves the problem when transferring tokens from different networks. Tier 1 funds such as Polychain Capital, Binance Labs, and Animoca brands have invested in polyhedra $45 million. The token price during listing was $1, and soon after it traded in the range of $2.5–3.5, where most people entered the market. And now they're at a 50% loss. I assume that in the next month, 2 months, the market may go sideways and some altcoins will fall by 15–30%. But the price of ZK-Link looks good. It's clear that you don't need to use 100% of the allocated funds to buy this coin right now. I want to get the best average purchase price, but I will not be greedy and use 40% of the allocated funds for this altcoin to buy it right now. There are almost 1 million people subscribed to this project, but the absolute majority of them are bots, as the Twitter score of the project is only 61 points. This is no big deal. I'm also waiting for layer 3 projects from Optimism and Arbitrum, which I also want to add to my portfolio, but they'll be released only in a couple of months, so polyhedra is the only one big project in layer 3. If you want to see more of my investments in real time, subscribe to my Telegram channel where I show you all my trades. The link is down below. The next altcoin is Flow. It's a blockchain platform designed to release NFTs. Tier 1 funds such as A16Z, Union Square, Coinbase Ventures, Block Tower Capital, and others have invested $41 million in this project. And if we look at the coin vesting schedule, we can see that the coins started to unlock from October 2021, and the funds could start selling some of their coins to get profit. But the token was falling non-stop, and it's clear that they could not sell the whole volume of tokens. And the token has been in the accumulation zone for 2 years in the range of $0.5–2, where large players bought the tokens. It's clear that functions of Flow will not be on hype, but the most important plus of this project is its capitalization. The capitalization of Flow is only $2 billion, and all tokens are unlocked and are at the funds and founders, and they can manipulate the price. I will use 50% of the amount I have allocated to Flow to buy it right now at current prices. And for the next 5 months, I'll be buying Flow gradually, each month, to get the best average purchase price. Even though now its price is 2 times higher than its October's low, which was $0.4, but I expect that the average purchase price of Flow will be lower if the market goes into correction before a bull market, and I'll be buying this coin monthly. Now the PARCL is conducting the second season of its airdrop, which will last until the end of June, where we will get rewards. The project reported that they will give away more tokens than the first time, and also the capitalization of the project is about $15 million. And for the last airdrop, I got 2.5 times more money than the funds I invested for 2 months, which seems to me not a bad outcome. I expect that for 1 million points we'll get at least $1,000, and this is in the worst case scenario. Go to the site, the link will be in the description, and see that for every dollar of trading volume we get 4 points. Also, we can just get 10,000 points by clicking on Join Perpetual Points, and soon they'll be displayed on the balance. Go to the referral section, enter the code TOKENPRO, and get a 5% discount on the transaction fees. Then go to the main menu and open any market, for example San Francisco. Click Deposit and replenish our wallet with USDC token on Solana network. To get it, you can send Solana tokens to your wallet and convert them to USDC at once. Enter the amount of money, pick out the maximum leverage, which is 11, and open a long position. Wait 30 seconds and close it. I expect that for 1,000,000 points we will get at least $1,000, and this is in the worst case scenario. We can also send USDC to the pool, then there will be a blocking of stablecoin for a month, but for that we'll get 8 points for each dollar every day. I recommend making trading volumes, as we cannot block USDC for a month and getting points. It can be done in one day and it's more profitable. Write in the comments which altcoins you think will go to the moon this month, and thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful.